Hello there everybody, CheeseCat back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can make custom duck game hats and capes and even a rock. So, yeah, let's get straight to it. Alright, so you're going to want to have these two tabs open. I'll put both of the links in the description. This one is called Quackhead, and you can just type that in or click on the link in the description. And then this one, you'll definitely want to click on the link because it's going to be kind of hard to find. It is a Steam community tutorial. So basically what you're going to want to do, you can kind of ignore this because we're not going to be using this until later in the video. But this one, you're going to want to save it as an image. So you can right click that. And once you've done that, I already have. You can open up any paint app that allows you to control the layers. So this one allows me to control the layers, and it's completely free. You can get it, I think it's included with any Microsoft thing. So we're just gonna click on File in here, and then we're gonna click on Open. Then we're gonna open whatever you called your download thing, or your save image as. And you're just gonna zoom in. All right, so now we have this. This might look a little bit confusing, but this is where your cape goes. This is where your rock goes if you're making a rock. And this is your character, and this is your character. So, I think I am just going to keep it simple for the video. I would usually put a little bit more time into these, but yeah, I'm just gonna give them some hair, just like that. But I just made a mistake because you actually have to, the reason you want to be able to control the layers is more on that later, but you're gonna add a new layer and you're gonna be drawing on that layer, so make sure you're on that layer. All right, now you can just go ahead and add our hair, and then add our hair. And now so I will just put it to the max size, and then you can kind of just go like this. So if you go on this orange line like I'm doing, that's not good. But the reason it's kind of okay, or you can fix it, if you just widen out this border a little bit so we have the whole thing. Then we use the eraser, because the eraser can't actually erase this. It can only erase the stuff that you have drawn. So we're just going to erase all this stuff. So yeah, doing the cape might take a little bit of time, which means it's a pretty big box that you have to fill in, but it is definitely worth that at the end because, yeah, it's sick. Now for these tiny ones, I'm definitely just gonna switch to a 1 pixel, like that, and yeah. Alright, you guys, once you have your design, as you can see, I just kind of went random on it. So yeah, for this next part, it's pretty simple. For the rock, you can just kind of add a smiley face if you want. It's a pretty small box, so just like that, there's my smiley face. So now y'all, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hide this layer, or you actually just right click it and delete it. And now we have all of these little things. So now we're gonna want to save as a PNG picture. Move it to downloads. And we're gonna call it Spitball. Just like that. It doesn't really matter what you call it. Alright, so now is the part where we actually use Quackhead. You can go ahead and X this out. Steam community. I'm gonna click Add Team. Then click on Spitball, and apparently I kind of messed up with the hair, but that doesn't really matter. This is just a tutorial. You can do whatever you want. And now I'm gonna call it bad skin with cape. And then we're gonna click this. And now you can just X this out. And now we're gonna open up our files and go to Windows C, Program Files 86, Steam Apps, Common, Duck Game, and then you are just going to drag in your file. But I made a mistake, and you also have to drag this right there. So just do all this again. Sorry for this. And once you do it all, Emacs, Common, find your Duck Game, and then you would just drag this into there. So yeah, if you load into Duck Game, you'll have your hat. Alright, I just loaded into Duck Game, and we're just going to go like this. Now we are in the lobby area. If we go over here, I have a few hats actually. Here is one of these. Oh, there's our skin. This one. And here is an actually good cape that you can make. So, but I'm gonna show y'all the one that we made. Just like that. So yeah, pretty cool. And the rocks should work. So yeah. Make sure to also subscribe if you like this video. And yeah. Guys, stay cheesy.